Hello Sumate, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be learning how to attach ostrich feathers in a way that it will give you this fullness that you're seeing. So without wasting much of our time, you can stick around. Let's get started. You can see how neatly done it is on my own lace. So I'm going to take us through the process. So at this point you want to attach the ostrich feathers. You can see that I've added some. Okay, can you see? So to attach your ostrich feather, it depends on the volume of feathers you have. I have about 4 yards with me here. I have 4 yards with me that I'm using, and I'm still thinking it's not going to be enough, but let's see. So because it's not so much, I'm not going to make it very full. So I will be cutting a little bit, 1 1/4 for the length of what I'll be working with. Okay, so I'm just showing us with this. I'll go ahead and cut it all out. Then after cutting the 1 1/4 like this, carry your gum. You need this when fixing your ostrich feather. You need this. Then just put a little bit, don't pack it too much. Okay, you just put it here a little bit at the edge, close to the edge. Okay, close to the edge of the feathers, like so. Right, so after that, fold it in, like you just make it round. So don't make it too tight. Okay, just fold it. Can you see what we have? Then you cut out this part. Okay, can you see it? You cut it low like this, so that when you press it down now, it's going to come out well. Okay, can you see how nice these ones are? So for you to gum it to the clothes, you need to put extra gum at the edge like this. Okay, then you press it down. Press it down like so. So you make it closer. If you have enough ostrich feathers that you're working with, you can make it very close, you can make it very tight, very close to each other. Okay, so this is what I have. So for now, I'm going to follow just this line round it to see what's left before I follow another line. Okay, so what I want to do now, I want to go ahead and cut this 1 1/4 everything off before we can continue gumming it to the dress. So I've gone ahead to cut everything out, and this is all we have. So let's see how far it can take us. So you can see that I'm just standing it. Okay, I'm not resting it like this. Can you see? That's why it's like this. Can you see? I'm not placing it this way. I'm not placing it like this. Even though it's just going to relax, and I want it to give me a little fullness. Okay, so that's why I'm standing it. So you can watch how I am doing it and take note of that. So you can see it. I'm standing it on it like this. Then I will now spread it. Okay, I will now spread it. So when you're doing it, you make sure you do it fast, because you see this gum, it gets dry on time. Okay, so you have to be fast. So this is how I will continue with the whole process until I'm done covering every part I want to cover with the with the feathers. So this is how you're going to continue placing the ostrich feather. Now take note of the details, okay? You have to first of all apply your glue, fold it round, then you trim it low, because if you do not trim it very well, like you are trimming that bias that they sewed the feathers on, you trim it very low so that it can rest flat on your lace, okay? So I will continue the routine like this until I'm done, then I will show us the final result. So at this point we are done with our ostrich placement, and you can see how nice it is on the dress. You can see that it's nice, just that it's not so full, okay? This ostrich feathers is very expensive, so it depends on the volume you have, like I said from the beginning of the video, okay? So now we are done and we've come to the end of this video tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye.